Hi beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. God bless you guys for staying long. I just want you guys to just check out this gorgeous short hairstyles for beautiful black women. This haircut, you can see in particular, this coil is achieved by using your sponge coil to roll your hair and using the right product. So let's talk about the Kings and Coils. Kings and Coils is a product made from by Step the Barber, and Step the Barber we all know is in Atlanta, Georgia. You can also request for this product online. Either you use Alibaba, or you can get this product from Amazon, or if you stay around Atlanta, Georgia, you can get this product in any store of your choice. Even in any salon, you can get this product. So Case Coils is one of the best products also you can use to achieve this kind of coils on your screen. These are cute hairstyles that will definitely take many years of your age. Okay, I just want you guys to just check out the rest of the video. Let me know how you feel about the short hairstyle. So for those that love the teeny weeny afro, and for those that love body, or maybe you're suffering from alopecia, or just recovered from cancer, this haircut is for you, because it will take many years of your age, and the haircut that will take many stress away from you without you disturbing yourself to check your hair, or try to spend hours in front of the mirror trying to make your hair. It's just a wash and go hairstyle that is versatile and that will definitely turn eyes in every occasion. So you want to look unique, you want to look gorgeous, watch this video to the end. Let me know your minds on how you feel about the haircut. God bless you guys, and stay locked for more beautiful short hairstyles coming your way.